Welcome! If you're looking to update your Facebook page categories using the latest Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through every step so you can keep your page organized and easy to find for your audience. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with all your pages. Select the page you want to update. Now that you're on your page, look for the About section. It's usually on the left side menu, but with the new update, you might find it just below your cover photo or in the main menu. Click on About to open up all the details about your page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll find a row that says Categories. Next to it, there's a small edit icon, usually a pencil or a small pen. Click on that icon to start editing your page categories. Now you can add new categories, remove old ones, or change them to better fit what your page is about. Facebook lets you choose up to 3 categories, so pick the ones that best describe your business, brand, or community. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your updates won't go live. And that's it. You've successfully changed your page categories using the Facebook app on your PC with the new update. Keeping your categories up to date helps people find your page more easily and ensures you're reaching the right audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials on optimizing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.